Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lawnmower blades that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the 810 LawnRAZOR mower blade set. If you're looking for a pair of medium lift options for your 46-inch Craftsman, Husqvarna, or Ariens lawnmower, these high-quality blades are an excellent choice. Like other 810 products, they feature a bright green powder coating, which increases durability and helps extend their overall lifespan. These blades have OEM specs listed, so it should be no problem to cross-check them with the mower model you own. Plus, 810's 90-day warranty gives you plenty of time to decide whether or not they're working for you. Moving on at number 4, we have the Greenworks 16-inch replacement lawnmower blade. Made for 16-inch Greenworks mowers, models 25,142 and 25,322, specifically, this coated steel blade is nice and durable, and at just 11 ounces, doesn't take much effort to secure in place. It's also a branded Greenworks product, unlike most other replacement blades that are made by third-party companies, so it's guaranteed to fit. It's worth noting that the blade length allows for an extra inch of space between the tip and the edge of the mower deck to prevent clogs, so don't be concerned that you received the wrong model when it arrives. At number 3, we have the 810 LawnRAZOR mower blade. This model by LawnRAZOR is well suited for heavy-duty mulching jobs, with wide-set teeth that can power through thick, tall grass and weeds that a typical blade can't handle. This model is a bit more expensive than most other single-blade options, but the sturdy construction is worth it for users who have a lot of mulching to do. We're especially impressed with its powder-coated finish, which keeps you safe from accidental cuts during installation and wears off during use. This blade is designed for Husqvarna lawnmowers, but it's compatible with several other brands, too. At number 2, we have the Toro 79016P50 Timecutter 3-blade kit. Toro Timecutter riding mowers are a popular choice for homeowners with big lawns, and these blades fit most 50-inch decks. They're also factory-made, so if you're opposed to off-brand or third-party blades, these are a great choice. Toro has an attentive and helpful customer service department to help answer any compatibility questions. Plus, the part number is stamped directly on the blade, which helps reduce the chance of ending up with the wrong model. And finally at number 1, we have the Craftsman CMXGZAM 110182 50-inch low-lift sand lawnmower blade. The low-lift design of these Craftsman blades make them perfect for those mowing in sandy conditions, reducing the amount of dust and dirt kicked up into the air. They're also noticeably quiet, making them a great choice for anyone looking to cut down on mowing noise. Keep in mind that these blades don't create the lift and suction needed to force grass clippings into a bag, so they're best suited for side discharge mowers. If you have St. Augustine, Bahia, or Bermuda grass, these blades are a great choice.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.